Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the theme of your Bitrix 24 account. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website we have to create an account, and after creating account you will get the setting icon here. We have to click on the settings icons, and after clicking on the settings icon you will get the first option for the design and layout here. So if you want to change your design and layout, as you can see different types of design and layouts are provided here. And as you can see now, these both are here. If you want to choose this one, you can choose this one. These both are provided here. And as you can see now, these different types of colors are also provided here. You have to choose which one you want to use. And the notification settings are also here. If you want to use the notification settings, you can also do that. Hotkeys are also provided here. So in this way you can change your theme of your Bitrix 24, and you can do this notification settings. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.